How to fix messages sending problem on Messenger. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all you have to do is check your internet connection. Drag down the control center from the top right corner of your screen and ensure you are connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. You can also try opening a website or another app to confirm it. Then, once you have confirmed this stable internet connection, all you have to do is restart the Messenger app. Swipe up and close the Messenger app. Once you do so, then reopen it. Sometimes this also fixes some minor glitches. Now all you have to do is simply try restarting your iPhone. Sometimes restarting your iPhone can fix many issues in iPhones, so power up and then turn your phone back on. This clears minor software glitches affecting messengers. Once you're back to the home screen, tap on the App Store from it. Then once you tap on the App Store, all you have to do is tap on the search address bar and search for the Messenger. Inside Messenger, if you see the update icon available right next to it, tap on the update and update it to the latest version, because sometimes outdated versions may have bugs which will not send your text. Now, once all of these are done and none of these are working, then all you have to do is delete and reinstall the app to reset everything fresh. Simply delete the Messenger app from your mobile device and reinstall it using the App Store. So that will be. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.